Starting metformin for diabetes or insulin resistance. Up to half of all new patients experience severe stomach cramps or diarrhea in their first few weeks, and many quit because of one simple mistake. Here is how metformin actually works, the critical rule for taking it, and how to switch to the version that eliminates side effects. Unlike other diabetes medications that force your pancreas to pump out extra insulin, metformin works without raising insulin levels. It targets three main areas. First, it stops your liver from dumping excess stored glucose into your blood. Second, it makes your muscle cells more sensitive to insulin, allowing them to absorb sugar easily. Third, it reduces how much sugar your intestines absorb from food. Because it doesn't force insulin production, metformin almost never causes dangerously low blood sugar when taken alone. The single biggest mistake patients make is taking metformin on an empty stomach or starting at full strength right away. Metformin draws fluid into your GI tract. If taken without food, that sudden shift triggers severe nausea and explosive diarrhea. Always take metformin mid-meal, literally halfway through your food, so the meal cushions your stomach. If you still get sick, ask your doctor about switching from immediate release, IR, to extended release, ER, or XR. ER releases the medication gradually over 24 hours, dramatically cutting down stomach distress. There is a sneaky long-term side effect that many doctors forget to mention: vitamin B12 deficiency. Long-term metformin use alters gut absorption, blocking vitamin B12 from entering your bloodstream. Over time, this leads to fatigue, brain fog, and tingling or numbness in your hands and feet, which is often misdiagnosed as diabetic nerve damage. If you've been on metformin for over a year, ask your doctor to check your serum B12 levels or consider a daily B12 supplement. To get the best results from metformin with zero hassle, follow these 4 rules. Start low and increase doses slowly. Take it right in the middle of a meal. Switch to extended release if stomach issues persist. Test your vitamin B12 levels annually. If this breakdown helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more clear, evidence-based medication guides.